Hey everyone, Jonas here, and today we're gonna review a Transformers War for Cybertron's Deluxe Class Sideswipe. Now this here is a Series 1 from War for Cybertron by Hasbro for 2019. Now this is Series 1 for this year along with this. So I got this one, the first own figure that was back in 2018. So I'm pretty excited. So who is Sideswipe? He is the blotter of Sunstringer from the original 1984 TV series Transformers. He's a character from the he was a from the arc was throughout the series from the season 1 up until season 2. He finally appears and then he quickly disappeared. And he did appear from his, I believe, was the Easter egg from Transformers the movie, where or and that was it. He is never seen. I believe he was, and Sideswipe wasn't in the Transformers the movie. He was presumably killed off the screen during the Autobot Cities battle when he gets killed off the screen. We don't see Sideswipe. However, there was actually deleted scene where Ultramaners along the Autobots, including Sideswipe, tries to fight back against Constructicons, and unfortunately, they were ultimately shut down off the screen. And we don't get to see what happened to him during the final moments, so that's about it. He did appear a small cameo from the Headmasters from the Easter egg, so I think he actually did make War for Cybertron animated television with science appears that he survived from the trilogies. Now, Sideswipe is voiced by Michael Bell, he may not know, who played Duke from G.I. Joe's The Real American Hero, as well as various other voices as well. Michael was such an iconic voice performance. So here is Sideswipe in his vehicle mode. I believe this vehicle is based on the Lamborghini vehicles. This looks pretty nice one, just a red, just a futuristic Cybertron vehicles. Nice little Autobot logos. This little vehicle does a little rolls here. Shows on the back, and there's no down here is a robot junk city. Now it comes with 2 weapons. First up, he comes with his looks like a shoulder, comes with a black gun. Looks like a shoulder cannon. I had no idea this is supposed to be some kind of shoulder. It comes with the red blasters. Again, this nice little red plastic. Doesn't connect to his here, look like that. Look like shoulder cannon missiles. Now, the transform to his vehicle mode, but for it, now there was a variant. There's a 2-pack with the Sideswipe with Skywarp. I think Sideswipe is based on the Earth mode, not Cybertron mode. I think it looks pretty accurate. And it shows a robot mode. Looks pretty accurate, good than that. There's another one, I think it's a Netflix line. I think its name is Deep 6 or Deep Die. I can't remember. He is a repaint. It's just the same, except the colors are black and blue. There is another one. There is the Amazon exclusives pack. Another one that was the multi-pack. He's now black and red helmet is based on Generation 2. So that was my thought was a variance. So let's start with quick the transformation. The transform to the Sideswipe. Let's start on things open here was pretty easy. It looks extremely easy. First open now down here you can actually let's untag here and start untag here. Now see that little tab, so now see that little tab here, and just open it up, then it closes, then rotate it around, and you can see there's a little open banding wrist. Now next we'll do is open here, so you can see there's controllers or Sideswipe's head. Oh, forgot it. Unpeg it, so and then what we'll do is close. And that's about it. And there you have it. So here's Sideswipe in his robo mode. Now this here is 5.5 inches was pretty tall one. Now, here's compared to the Omnus. And here's next to Bumblebee. And you can see I actually had a jetpack, so I was going to make fun of him. So let's take the figure out of the way. Let's take a look at the head sculpt first. Now the head sculpt is pretty looks a very 100% just like how he did the anime series. I like how his helmets are black, the face are silver. It has little blue eyes. It's kind of really hard to see. It's kind of hard to see. It's just a blue eyes paint. No light pipe. It's pretty unfortunately. I really like his detail. Nice little wrist. Just a white shoulder. It has little legs. It's got a little some kind of dirty metal. Has a battle damage. Now it shows the back is there's no robot joints. So overall, it looks pretty nice looking. Figure looks. Now, like I said before, now there was a variant one. There's a 2-pack with Skywarp that was based on Earth mode. Sideswipe. I think it looks pretty accurate, so I think I'll love how to pick them out of this. And there's another one. Now there's another one. I believe that was a multi-pack. So we saw the picture. I believe it's called Generation 2 Sideswipe that we saw. There's another variant. There's the War for Cybertron's Netflix line, the Sideswipe with his battle damage paint, battle damage. This here is kind of same mold. This looks kind of same mold, nothing changed. So I think it looks pretty much the same mold. So there's another mold variant. There's the Generation 2 Sideswipe with Slam Dance. And again, this thing looks identical, except the colors or helmets are red instead of black. So there was also looks kind of different. So other than that repaint, other than that, I think it looks pretty different. Now there's another one. Oh yeah, D cover, not D6. Sorry, the blue one. So that's, and there's another variant. There's another one. There's another one. I think it's named Short Pack. I can't remember. Now he has a. Oh yeah, Tiger Track. Sorry, Tiger Track. Yeah, he is a repaint. And there's a repaint. I believe somewhere that was the Amazons. So that's about my thought of the variants of the Sideswipe variants. So let's talk about the articulations. Articulation for Sideswipe is it does get head can rotate 360 degrees. It does get a bouldering, goes up and down much. His arms goes up. His arms goes and his arms going up. His arms goes up and down, goes in and out that much. He has a little bicep swivel. It's kind of a little tight. Bicep swivel. He has a bicep swivel. Then to the elbows. No wrist articulation. That's pretty unfortunately. It does get swivel waist movement, 360. Hand left or right. It does get his legs forwards and back. Goes in and out that much. Thigh swivel, then in the knee. And his ankle flitters side to side. Now for the weapons I mentioned earlier, those peg in the shoulders look like he's shooting his shoulder cannons. And sadly, he does not come with the blasters, rifle. This is really disappointment. I thought it's going to comes with 2 weapons. So if you to make Holder look like that, yeah, I guess I might as well get the Biolus with the item weapons. So yeah, I think that's about it. So overall, Sideswipe is a really good figure. As overall, got this one at this Walmart that was back in 2019. I'm very well, that was a long time ago. So overall, Sideswipe figure is pretty solid figures. I mean, if you're a fan of G1 Die Hard fans or War for Cybertron TV series, this figure is available, I believe, is online source. Sorry about that. So, hopefully you enjoy this one. Be sure to forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, what do you think this figure is? Would you like this version? Or you prefer the Earth mode? This figure is going to be really expensive ones. If you wanted this one, I think it's highly recommended to take them out. This figure will be available, I believe, online like eBay and others. You can check them out. So, hopefully you enjoy this one. So, be sure to forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all next time. So, thanks for watching. Bye for now.